Hello and welcome to the YouTube channel of Kiosk India. The product in front of you today is an interactive touchscreen kiosk with an A4 printer and a keyboard mouse rolling tray and a Dell CPU. So first we'll look at the form factor of the kiosk. So this kiosk is brick red in color, which is totally customizable. This color is quite cool as well. You can see very smooth finish, very uniform, smooth and blemish free finish. Okay, so coming to the touch screen, this is the capacitive touch screen with 3 years warranty, and it comes with an inbuilt toughened glass. It's robust, very strong. Next we go towards the keyboard and rolling mouse tray. So this is the keyboard and mouse tray. It can come out a long way, you can see, and what you can do is you can open this flap here and put your wired or wireless mouse over here to operate. So this can be a wired or a wireless keyboard, and if it's a wired keyboard you can just put your cable directly from in here to your PC, connect it to your computer system, and for the mouse as well, you can take your cable from here and it will go directly to the computer system. So this is collapsible. Usually this is a on-screen, this is a touch screen, so there's an on-screen keyboard. For example, you want to type anything, there's an on-screen virtual keyboard already available. But for example, you don't want to use the on-screen keyboard, touch keyboard, or suppose you want to type in very long paragraphs, very long data, and you find the on-screen keyboard cumbersome, then what you can do is you can use a physical wired or a Bluetooth keyboard and mouse. Okay, so for example, we can collapse this tray like this and just push it inside. So very easy to operate, very easy to push and open. Okay. Next, coming to the printer section. So there's an inbuilt A4 size Canon printer installed in this. It can be any other model of printer. It's customizable. So you can use any other Laserjet printer or inkjet printer or even dot matrix printer instead of this specific model. So I'll tell you how it works. So there's a slot here for the A4 printer. Now you can open this flap for printing. You can load your paper over here. So this is a collapsible thing. Just push it out. Okay. And now what you can do is you can install some A4 papers here. Okay. So for refilling A4 papers, you don't need to open the kiosk. So the kiosk is secure. Nobody can remove this printer from this kiosk because it is locked from the sides. Okay. So that gives it additional functionality. You can print whatever you want, but you cannot tamper with the printer. You cannot take it out. So you can the print will come out from top and you can load the paper directly here. You don't need to open the maintenance door for loading new paper. Okay, and this printer configuration, this can be put slightly inside as well. Suppose I push it back inside, there's enough room. If you want to make it face to face here, you don't want it protruding out, what you can do is you can push it inside. So now the kiosk, the printer is inside. There's no protrusion outside the kiosk, but if you want, you can bring it to front as well. Okay, so the power buttons and everything is easily accessible, but it is vandal proof. You cannot remove the printer from the kiosk unless you have a maintenance door key. So just to test it, we'll go to printer and scanner. We'll check the printer. And what we'll do is we'll print a test page. So the test page will come out from here. Okay, so this is the test page, good quality printing. So what you can do is you can extend this holder tray as well, and if you put it like this, the pages will come and stack here. Okay, So let's print another one. Okay, print a test page. One more print coming up. Okay, so this, you can see this holder or stacker will be stacking the pages. Okay, now if you want to take it out, it's very easy. Just if you want to put the printer slightly in front, you can do that as well. If you want to paper to be slightly out from the kiosk, away from the service, this is easy as well. Now see, I'll print a test page here, and you will see. Okay, neatly stacked, neatly printed, easy to refill A4 papers or any other paper, whichever is supported, and overall easy to operate and maintain. Okay, so if you want to replace cartridge, then you need to open the maintenance door. Okay, so next we'll move on to the maintenance door part. So this is the back side of the kiosk. Maintenance door. It comes with inbuilt locks. These are inbuilt locks, and I will give you a special kind of key. You cannot duplicate this key. You just put this key inside here and quarter turn. Okay, so right now only one lock was installed, the rest two are not installed. So you can see how clean the maintenance door part is. So there's a printer kept here, and there's a Windows CPU. It can be tower, it can be micro, it can be tiny, any other form factor, whichever form factor you prefer. You can install it. There is a sufficient place for every kind of PC. And at the back side you will see power connections. So there's a 15 ampere plug and 3 6 ampere plugs. So 15 ampere for the printer, and 3 standard 6 ampere plugs. You can put your touch screen and your PC and some other component, maybe so you want some spare, and we'll give you the spare as well. So all the this whole entire thing is portable and on wheels, and you can move it around, and maintenance door side access is very clean and easy to maintain, easy to remove any components. You can even have spare space for some other components. So as you can see, if you want to bring the camera the printer, you can take it back. You can shift it like this. Okay, so there's sufficient space. Even if I move the printer sufficiently back, you can see there's more than sufficient space here so now the entire printer, if you see from the front, has gone inside the kiosk. Okay, so both configurations are possible. If you want to project the paper tray out, then you can do that, or you can put it entirely inside the kiosk. So sufficient space for any printer, any model, and customization options are available, and you can see it's overall a very elegant design and many color options. Say you want a blue color, see this is a dark blue color, Oxford blue color, some other kiosks like white or light gray or silver color, or you can have blue, sea blue color. A lot of different color options are available as per your choice. And hope you like this video, and do like and share and subscribe our channel for more such updates. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.